Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will continue our first chapter rational numbers with the exercise 1a. This is your fifth exercise in which we have to do the division of the rational numbers. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you the method how to solve the division of the rational numbers. Okay. We have already done this in the videos also, but here I will also explain with the question number 1 that is simplify. Means we have to simplify, means whatever given we have to simplify, that is okay. So after that I will discuss this problem from your exercise 1e, and remaining you have to do by your own. So first one is the simplify. This is your fifth part of the question number 1. Here is given minus 16 upon 35. We have to divide this by the minus 15 upon 40. So how you will solve this? Please look at here carefully. This is your first sum of the division. So here minus 16 upon 35 divided by minus 15 upon 14 is given to us. Okay. So what we will do? We will write first number as it is, minus 16 upon 35. Then we will convert this division sign into multiplication. Okay. And we will do the reciprocal of second number. We will do the reciprocal of second number. So what is our second number? Minus 15 upon 14. So we will do the reciprocal of that. That means 14 upon 15. This complete number is negative because negative sign is here. So I can put this negative here. Yes. So reciprocal means numerator will be the denominator, denominator will be the numerator. So what you have to do? What you have to do? First number as it is, division will be changed in the multiply, and second number will be reciprocal. Okay. So now here, now we have already done the rules for the division and multiplication also. In the division and multiplication, when you are having two number with the same sign, always you will get the positive result. So here you are doing multiplication, minus will be plus. So final answer will be in the plus. Okay. If these numbers are cutting on any common table, you can cut. Otherwise, you can just multiply them. Okay. Look at the 16. 16 is coming in the table of 2, 4, but these are not coming. Now here 14. This is coming in the table of 2 and 7. Yes. So this is also coming in the table of 7. 7 2s are 7 5s are. Okay. Now what we will do? Whatever is left, we will multiply numerator with, means here numerator will be multiplied with numerator and the denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. So here numerator is, I change this minus into plus. No need to take this minus now. Okay. 16 into 2, that will be 32. Here will be 5 into 15. 5 into 15, that will be 75. Okay. So that means this is our answer. After simplification, it will be our answer. This is our answer. You will write here answer. No need to write this positive sign. That is only for your understanding. Okay. Now we will do question number 2 and 3, in which we have to verify whether the given statements are true or false. In the question number 2 rational numbers are given on the both the sides, but in the question number 3 there is three numbers are given. Okay. Means like you have done in the previous exercise also, verification. First we will take the left hand side, then we will take the right hand side. If both are same, we will write hence verified. Otherwise we will write it's not verified because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So here when I told you about the properties of the rational numbers, when we have done the commutative law for the division, associative law for the division, that time I told you rational numbers are not commutative, not associative. Okay. Under division, means division may when you are solving the left hand side and the right hand side, they will not come equal. So we know that our result will be false. Still we have to verify, means हमें पता है आंसर फॉल्स ही आना है, बट वी हैव टू वेरीफाई दिस बिकॉज इट्स रिटन, हमें करके दिखाना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दिस इज फोर्थ पार्ट. What is given to us? -7 upon 24 divided by 3 upon -16. On the another side it will be reverse, means first 3 upon -16 divided by -7 upon 24. Okay, this is the statement. So when we are doing any calculation of the two rational numbers, that means we are using here commutative log. Yes, okay, so this is our commutative log, a divided by b and b divided by a. Okay, so how we will verify this? We will take here left hand side. What is that? That is -7 upon 24 divided by 3 upon -16. So I told you in the division, first we will convert this into multiplication. So first number will be as it is and it will be multiplied, it will be reciprocal. So what will be here? -16 upon 3. Okay, now these are not cutting but they are cutting. Okay, so we will cut that 4 4 and 4 6. Okay, now after that minus will be plus. 7 4 7 into 4 and 6 into 3. Now I'm rubbing this. Okay, so here will be 28 upon 18. 28 upon 18. This is our left hand side. Now we will solve the right hand side here. Okay, what is our right hand side? 3 upon -16 divided by -7 upon 24. So the same method we will use here. First number as it is and division will be changed in the multiplication. This will be reciprocal. Okay, so write this as it is. Now convert this in multiplication and it will be reciprocal. That means 24 upon 7. Minus will be here in the center. Okay, so now this is also negative. This is also negative. So both are negative. So answer will be positive. Answer will be positive. If they are cutting, please cut that. Okay, here this is cutting. 4 4 4 6. So 6 3 18. Here will be 18 and 7 4 28. On the left hand side we get 28 upon 18, but on the right hand side we get 18 upon 28. Both are not same. Yes, so here we will write. We have answer. A question was verify whether the given statement is true or false. We will say because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So it's this is false. Okay, hence verified it's false. Hence verified it's false. Okay, what is false? Means this is false. ये जो given है this is false. Now we will do question number 3, third part. Okay, in the question number 3 parts are given. 2 you will do by your own. I am doing the third one for you. Okay, so in that there is given three rational numbers on the left hand side and 3 on the right hand side. So in the associative property we are taking the 3 numbers. Yes, so here is your associative property is given. Okay, so we will solve this. First I'm directly writing left hand side and the right hand side. Statement is here. So what is our left hand side? Left hand side is minus 3 upon 5 divided by minus 12 upon 35 within bracket divided by 1 upon 40. First we have to solve this and then we will solve the right hand side. Okay, so here I told if you don't know about the board mass, according to board mass, first we have to solve number that is given within brackets. Okay, so first we will solve this. How we will solve this? Minus 3 upon 5. This is division, so it will be converted into multiplication. Here it will be reciprocal, that means 35 upon minus 12. This number will be as it is, or what you can do, you can convert this also. You can convert this into multiply and reciprocal of this. Okay. So now here what we will get here, minus will be plus, 5 7 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So what is inside now, minus will be plus, 7 1 ja 7 upon, this is also 1 4. Okay, this will be multiplied with 14 upon 1. Yes, so now write this, 7 upon 4 into 14 upon 1, 2 7 ja and 2 2 ja. So what we will get here, 4 4 ja, 7 7 ja 49 upon 4. So this is the left hand side. Okay, now we will solve our right hand side. What is our right hand side? In the right hand side, here we are dividing, we are doing the division of the A and B first, then with the C. But in that we will do division of B and C first and then with A. So A will be outside, there is A is outside, I am writing from there, division within bracket minus 12 upon 35 divided by 1 upon 40. Okay, 1 upon 40. So first we will solve this one. Here will be minus 3 upon 5. Here you will not convert this into multiplication, because whatever we will get from this bracket, that will be reciprocal. Okay, so I will not change this now. When I will solve this, after that I will change this sign. Now here will be minus 12 upon 35 multiplied 14 upon 1. So cut this, 7 2s are 7 5s are. So here will be minus 3 upon 5 divided by, this is minus, this is not minus, this is plus. So minus, and 12 2s are 24 and 5 into 5. Okay, so what you will get here, minus 3 upon 5 multiplied, it will be reciprocal, 5 upon 24, this is negative will be here. So now 5 5 3 8. What we will get here, minus will be plus. At the top there is 1 and as a denominator there is 8. So 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. So what we will say here, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side, hence verified, as we have written in the question number 2, hence verified, this statement is false. Okay, so you will write that line at the end. Now question number 5. Okay, I am writing this line. Maybe you forget that. Okay, so I am writing that line because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Okay, so hence verified. Hence verified. It's false. Okay, so now question number 5. Question number 5 is statement sum. Question number 8 and 10 also. I'll explain these 3 statement sum for you. Remaining you will do by your own. In the question number 5, the product of two rational numbers is this. If one of the number is this, find the other. Means product is given, that is minus 16 upon 9. And the one number is minus 4 upon 3. Find the other. We have already done this kind of this type of sum in a previous exercise. What we will do here, we will let the second number, or we can say let the other number be x. Question number 5. Okay, let the other number be x. Okay, other number be x. Product of two rational numbers. What is product? I will write here product, that is given to us. Product is equal to minus 16 upon 9. Okay, so first number is also given, or you can say one of the number. You can say one of the number, that is, what is our number? That is minus 4 upon 3. Okay, so now we will do according to the statement, according to question. So we will write here ATQ, that means according to question. Let the number be x, product is this. So here we will write product 1 into second number, first into second. So what is our product? Product is minus 16 upon 9, and here will be first number is minus 4 upon 3 and second number is x. Yes, product means 1 into second, and I change one with this, second with this. So now we need the value of x. So x will be there and remaining will be on the another side. Okay, so here will be minus 16 upon 9. Look at here. If we are taking any fractional number to the another side, then denominator will be the numerator on the another side and numerator will be the denominator. So that means it will come here. 3 will be at the top and 4 will be at the bottom. Okay, and here will be only x. So what I did here, this is as it is. I'll bring this here, means 3 will be at the top, so multiplied with the numerator, and whatever is numerator, that will go with the denominator. Okay, please don't do mistake here. Okay, so now if they are, because they are in multiplication, they are cutting, please cut that. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja, 4 1 ja 4 4 ja, minus will be plus. So here will be, you can say x is equal to minus will be plus 4 1 ja 4 and here 3 1 ja 3. So what is our x? X is 4 upon 3. So we will write here our other number is, okay, our other number is 4 upon 3. Okay, now question number 8. Now the question number 8. In the question number 8, it's given by what number should minus 33 upon 8 be divided to get minus 11 upon 5. Means हम minus 33 upon 8 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें so that we can get minus 11 upon 2. So here we will let our required number. This is question number 8. Let the required number. Okay. Let the required number be x. Okay. Let the required number be x. So now ATQ. ATQ means according to question or according to statement. By what number should be minus 33 upon 8 be divided? So we will divide that number by x. So what is that? Minus 33 upon 8 divided by x, so that we can get minus 11 upon 2. Our statement was that by which number we should multiply minus 33 upon 8 so that we can get this. So we will multiply this, we will divide this number by x. Okay, so here first I will change this into multiplication. So minus 33 upon 8 multiply, it will be reciprocal, 1 upon x is equal to minus 11 upon 2. Okay, so now 1 upon x will be here and minus 11 upon 2 is on the another side. I will take this also on the another side. So denominator will be the numerator, numerator will be the denominator. Minus sign will be there. 8 will be at the top, this will be at the bottom. Okay, so now minus will be cut. 11 ones are 11 threes are 2 ones are 2 4s are. So 1 upon x is equal to minus already cut it. So 4, here will be 3. So we can say this is the value of the 1 upon x, but I need the value of the x. I need the value of x. So what will be the value of x? There is two ways to do this. Simply, one way is simply you can write here 1 upon x is equal to this. So x will be the reciprocal of this. That means 3 upon 4. Okay. Means if 1 upon x is this, so what is the x? X will be the reciprocal of this. So simply you can write this. Another way, by the cross multiplication. Okay. You can use any one. Which one you understand here. So cross multiplication 3 and 4x. Now here will be x and 4 will be there. So 3 upon 4. Okay. Means 3, here will be 4x, x will be there, 4 will come here. So that is in multiplication, here that will be in division. So 3 upon 4. Okay. Both are the same method, choice is yours. Okay. Now question number 10. Now the question number 10. In the question number 10, it's given to us, divide the sum of 65 upon 12 and 8 upon 3 by their difference. Means first we have to add these numbers, then we have to find out their difference. Okay. So what is given to us? First we will write the given numbers. This is question number 10. Given numbers are, what are the given numbers? 65 upon 12 and 8 upon 3. I think both are positive. Okay. Divide the sum of this. Okay, both are positive here. What we have to do? We have to divide the sum of these two. Means first we will find out their sum. Okay. Sum. Then we will find out their difference. And then we will go ATQ. Means we will do the according to statement. Means we will divide this sum by their difference. So what will be the sum? Sum is 65 upon 12 plus 8 upon 3. So here will be LCM will be 12. LCM will be 12. 12 ones are 65 as it is, plus 3 fours are. So 3 fours are means 4 and 8. Both will be multiplied. 65 plus 32. Here will be 12. Write this answer. Add them. 5 and 2, 7. It will be 9 upon 12. Okay. So this is the sum. Now we have to find out their difference. So difference 65 upon 12 minus 8 upon 3. By the same method we will do this. Yes. So 12 will be LCM 65 minus 3 fours are. Here will be 32. So from 5 2 will go, it will be 3. From 6 3 will go, it will be 3. 33 upon 12. Positive number. So this is the sum, this is the difference. And what is our statement? Divide the sum. Divide. So we will go ATQ. Divide the sum. We have to divide sum by their difference. Sum of the numbers. And here will be the difference of the numbers. Okay. So what is our sum? Sum is 97 upon 12. We have to divide this by 33 upon 12. Okay. So what will be the next? 97 upon 12. Multiply. It will be reciprocal. Here will be 33. 12. It will be cancelled. Check that whether they are cutting or not. 97. This is cutting on 3. No. And this is okay. So you can write, if you don't know whether they are cutting or not, you can write that directly. Okay. So this is our answer. So please do the remaining sums. Okay. All are the same. All are having plus, minus, division. Just understand the statements and solve that. Okay. Thank you, class.